Morning, Mom.
Good morning con.
How are you feeling?
Mẹ ok, mẹ khỏe. Hi everyone. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And thank you very much for asking my son about me. I'm doing much better now. Thank you.
Oh, and thank you guys so much for 18,000 subscribers. I never thought I would hit 18,000, so that is really amazing.
Thank you very much for watching my son video and supporting him.
So as you guys can see, my mom is doing so much better, and it is so amazing that she's alive and well. Anyways, I picked the giveaway winners, all 10 of them. If you guys receive a comment in my last video in regards to your comment letting you know that you won, please make sure you email me your name and your address. All the instructions will be in the comment that I send you. Thank you guys so much for answering. I know you guys love these giveaways. They're free. Who doesn't like free? I'll definitely keep doing more giveaways. Guys, 18,000 subscribers. That's so freaking crazy. I'm so close to 20,000. With your guys' support, I really might be able to reach 50K someday. I know that I should be aiming higher, like 100,000 or even possibly 1,000,000, but I think 50,000 is very, very realistic, and you guys are actually helping me achieve my goals and my dreams, so thank you so much for everything. Let's get back to today's video. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today, we have a full-on car day. I don't know if you guys remember Arnold, my best friend and my business partner with Mental, also the other CEO. What do we got here, Arnold? Ooh, finally, after hanging out with me for like 8 years, decides to mod his car. So we're gonna be installing coils onto Arnold's car. It's not really Lexus content, but he has a Scion, and we out here in the Yoda gang. We got Tom here too. What up, Tom? Got a Supercharged Camry. Maybe he'll give us a pull in this later. But yeah, I'm not really gonna go in depth with this install because there's so many videos on the Scion and how to install coils. I think Arnold got some Raceland coils. If everyone starts off somewhere, I'm just hyped that he found them for a really, really, really good price, and he's gonna finally see what it's like to drive a lowered car before he gets even more mods or even like more expensive mods. Oh. So far we got these bolts off. Well, they did. I'm just here for moral support. And we're gonna take this off. Tom playing some fob-ass music. There's only one thing you can do when you got some fob-ass music playing. Here you go. Heineken. Đúng my boys. Plan right now is to spend all day installing these coils. Once we're done with that, I'll show you guys how the car looks. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so far we finished up one side. We had to redo everything because the end link wasn't going in, so we had to unbolt, drop it again, stick it in. I already broke all the bolts for this, so once they're done using the jack over there, we can go ahead and start this side. And we maxed the hell out of these, so we don't know how low it's gonna drop, but hopefully it's low enough to where he could drive it and it looks sick. I'm gonna keep helping them out and we're gonna get this. Nothing. What the hell? Holy shit. Bruh. Is this mine or yours?
Yours.
Oh shit, this is old. It's all good. No, it's all good. The question is, do we have another one? Sick, Arnold. Sick. Are we putting this on the company tab? Arnold's a big boy now. We just finished that side. So much easier now that we have everything all done on this side. The drop is gonna be insane. Check out this ride height. Hopefully his car is as low as mine for ride height. Guys, we're trying to get that off. This thing twisted twice, so Arnold broke more of my tools. But granted, these are old. They're not even that cheap, they're just old.
Cheap ass tools. So
we got this one, heavy duty.
Once you go black, you don't go black.
Alright guys, almost done with the rears. I was over here doing nothing.
Hey man, this is cool. This ain't no beast for all three of us.
Test it.
Alright, here we go. Bruh. It's all the way in.
Oh, it's so high. Oh my god.
Man, he said move the jack.
Oh shit.
He said move the jack.
Oh man. I'm tired, guys. We're about to be done. This car is gonna be so slammed, it won't even be able to get into McDonald's. everything's done. We ran into one tiny issue. I'm not glad, but I'm pretty stoked that Arnold is experiencing this because it's a typical car guy thing to have one little thing go wrong. There's no such thing as a perfect install. So if you guys see his OEM ones, it has these, I guess, extenders for the actual shock. One of them is missing them. So we hit up the guy, hopefully he has them. He did buy these used, but we already took the preventative measure and ordered some from Raceland directly in Utah. It should be here Monday, and I ordered them for him. I just wanted to make sure he has them. Even if the other guy has them, he has spares, but I don't think it's good to drive. He wants to drive it, but me and Tom think, nah, let's not risk it. They made spacers there for a reason. How are you feeling after this install? Do you feel like a car guy now?
No.
I mean, we're still gonna drop it and see how it looks. This is bottomed out, so hopefully it's really low. No more monster trucking. I've been wanting him to lower his car for forever. And that doesn't look that bad. This is maxed out, by the way. Obviously it could be lower, but this is a good starting point for him, and then later on he could probably get bags or even better coils. I know you would probably want it a little bit lower, but
I don't know about that.
but for the price it's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
I know we told Arnold not to drive it, but we are gonna test drive it real quick just to make sure there's no random noises. If it rubs, which I doubt it will, how hard it'll be for him to get out of my driveway, all the little stuff, so let's get it. Let's see if Arnold can get out of my driveway. Low, low. So we took it for a test drive. It didn't feel too bad, but there is a slight knocking sound from this rear wheel because it doesn't have those spacers at the bottom like I told you guys. We're gonna take it to a shop over here that's local, 2K Racing, and they're gonna tighten everything down for a really good price, inspect, go for a test drive. These are used, so maybe they'll be able to tell us if it's blown or not. We don't know how many miles are on these coils, but for the most part, it looks great. Doesn't drive too great yet. We'll probably pick this back up tomorrow, get some rolling shots, and probably gonna be it for today. Thanks again for coming through.
Thanks again for helping.
Even though it didn't come out as planned, I hope you liked it. It was fun, learning experience.
Of course.
Always buy new. Just kidding. Tom is fucking knocked the fuck out. Yeah, we're beat, guys, so we're gonna call it a day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it is the next day. Arnold got the coils fixed, they ride perfectly smooth, but you wanna know what's really crazy? Homeboy just modded his car in one day. And I know you guys are thinking the coils, but no. He brought back his car today and everything is completely different. Oh my god. What the? So it's literally been only one day and Arnold has a front lip. He has some wheels. He has some slotted, drilled rotors and an exhaust. How much money do we have in our bank account again?
I cashed out.
Fucking CEO money over here. Alright guys, are you ready to see Arnold's car? He came over here because he wanted to show me and like, I'm totally mind blown. Holy balls. Bro, you modded your car in a day. The hell? What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments down below. I think you're worthy enough for a banner. I've always been trying to get Arnold to rock one of our windshield decals, but he didn't want to because his car was stock. He's always been in the car game, but he finally decided to mod his car and he did it incredibly freaking fast. Now we can put on a new windshield decal for him. Arnold, show them our new V2
Oh, hell yeah.
windshield decal.
So excited for you guys. You ready?
Damn.
Check it out, guys.
That shit is shiny. It's better than this one. So,
I love you guys.
do you want to put it on your car?
Yeah, let's do it.
How does it feel having a modded car now, like a fully modded car? Did you hear that sigh? That's the car guy's sigh. He hates driving now.
It's not done. I still want more.
But how's driving?
It's fun.
Is it fun scraping and caring about your parts now?
Hell no. I gotta cry every time I hit something.
He clenches his butthole like the rest of us. What do you guys think of the banner? Ooh. Dude, it looks so sick from right here. But yeah, I think we're gonna go grab some stuff to eat, show off Arnold's car, do some car stuff. Tom, can we get some pulls in the Supercharged Camry?
I'll allow it.
Can I drive it? Fuck it. Tom never lets me drive any of his cars, but he's gonna let me drive the Supra someday. We just got some Chick-fil-A, guys. You're stupid. Damn, it's so hot. We made it to Mexico, our favorite spot. Wanted to get a couple shots. God damn. Look at Arnold's car. It looks so much better. Got my car, the boys, Tom's Supercharged Camry. Woo! Toyota gang. Now we are at spot number 2 because we couldn't really film at the last spot, and Tom is about to give me a pull in his Supercharged Camry. How much is this pushing right now, Tom? I know it's a low boost.
281, 14 PSI.
281? It's still faster than my car. My shit's only like 236. I'll see you on the other side.
Bye.
So we'll get a little taste of a supercharged Toyota before I supercharge mine. Oh my god, that was fucking crazy. You didn't even say like 3, 2, 1, go. You just fucking did it. Yo, that is so crazy. How much torque does this have?
Too much.
Too much? I asked him how much torque he has and he says too much. Tom's gonna give me a quick little flyby. I wanna hear how this thing sounds from the outside, because from the inside, you guys heard it, that thing sounded sick. I think that is the freaking fastest Camry I've ever seen in my life. Dude, this thing is a hella sleeper. I'm gonna report you to the cops. Oh man, that was so much fun. Did you guys have a good time?
No.
Arnold's been in the car a bunch of times. Tom owns the car. Look at my best friend modding his car in one day. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to cop the banners, they are now available on the website. You can also click here and link will be in the description below. With that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good
than to feel good.
I don't know, man.
I don't feel so good.
Oh. Later.